Hey YouTube, this is Heather Ann and I am looking at Star Wars construction. It's June 15th and whoa, all I can say is whoa. Big stuff going on. So tomorrow, the Rivers of America is opening up, which is very exciting. Lots of things are moving along. So it's June 15th, 2017. Check out my website, heatherannworld.com, for my blog and my art. And subscribe to my channel here on YouTube, Heather Ann, for lots and lots of updates on Disneyland and what's going on in the California resort. All right, everybody. We'll keep you posted. Bye.